A supply line fails 2 floors up, and by Monday the ceiling tiles are down, and the carpet is soaked through an entire office suite. We get the water out fast, so it doesn't spread into walls and furniture that are still salvageable. A retail floor or warehouse holds a lot more water than a single room, so we bring extraction gear built for that scale. The goal is the same: pull the water before it works into the subfloor. Once the standing water is out, air movers and dehumidifiers go in row by row down the affected hallway or floor. We phase that setup by section, so the parts of the building still operating stay clear. A high-rise stack failure near Post Oak or a plumbing failure in a multi-tenant strip center rarely stays contained to one unit. We document the loss as we go, so your property manager or adjuster has a clear file to work from. Restaurant losing a line behind the dish pit overnight can't afford a slow response before the next shift starts. We move quickly and stay out of the way of whenever part of the business is still running. Water damage hitting your business? Call us 346-313-8009.